there's been an exciting recent update and renovation to some of the biggest bars, actually the probably biggest beach road bars in Pattaya. And all of these bars you're looking at right now, there's 5 or 6 of them here. And my personal favorite is the Red Cat Bar. I go there a lot, and I enjoy the daytime drinking there. It's been one of my favorites ever since I first came to Pattaya. Over the course of 2 months, you can see they've completely gutted everything here and showing the progress as we go along. Making some good headway. There we go. Looking pretty sharp. Oh yeah, nice. New chairs, tables, beautiful new Red Cat sign. There we go. Time for a beer. I was the first one in here before they even actually opened. And as you can see here, grand opening night. Woo, big party. Awesome. So excited to see them back. I missed coming here for a couple of months, but it's all back to normal now with a fresh coat. Looking great, guys.